Hey, my name is Cheyenne with LRE Foundation Repair. Right now, as you can see, we're out here in the HOA development. Over here in Tampa, we're trying to level out the concrete. Some of these are raised up by roots, and the roots end up putting it at a pitch. So we're doing the best we can to try to make it level and reach the requirements for the HOA. The way we start off is we drill a little hole about a foot away from each corner, and then whenever we do that, we start to pump a little bit of the foam. It's a two-part polyurethane. It starts out as a liquid. Whenever it chemically reacts, it creates a foam, which causes it to be compressed underneath the concrete, lifting the concrete. We got our level over there, we got the sand. The sand helps prevent the foam from sticking to the concrete itself. As we do it, we're trying to teeter-totter it, and then if we see that we're walking on it and it starts to bounce on one edge, we'll go and we'll stabilize the whole slab. Poly's not just a job, it's an art form.